Welcome! In front of me I have FITBIT Inspire 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. Before we start, if you want to change the watch face on this smartband, your smartband needs to be paired with a phone via the FITBIT application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the FITBIT application on the phone that is paired with our smartband. In the application you should see the Today page. Now tap on the account icon right here in the top left corner to open the account page, and now find the Inspire 2 on the list of devices and tap on it to select it. Here find the option called Gallery and tap on it. And now tap on the option called Clocks right here at the top. Now you should see the list of watch faces, and you can scroll through it by swiping up and down on the screen. Find the watch face you'd like to use on your smartband, tap on it to select it, for example this one. And once you select the watch face, you can tap on the install button to basically install it on our smartband. So tap on install and let's wait. And after it's done installing, it's gonna be applied on your smartband. Okay, and we can go back and, for example, change it to something else quickly so you can see how it works. Okay, maybe this one. So let's tap on install. It's gonna install it and change it. And here we have it. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the application, and that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.